Here is an example of how you can complete this practice page. This practice page asks you to round large numbers. I am going to show you two different ways you could choose to round. So the first thing you need to do is underline the place value that we are rounding to. For the number 1,478, we are going to round to the hundreds place. So I'm going to underline my hundreds place digit, which is a 4. Then I need to look to the place value that is directly smaller, which is my tens place. Since I have a 7 in my tens place, I need to round up in my hundreds place because a 7 is larger than a 5. So my hundreds place is going to become a 5. Everything that is larger than my hundreds place, so my thousands place, is going to stay the same. Anything that is smaller than my hundreds place, so my tens and my ones place, are going to become zeros. So 1,478 rounded to the nearest hundred is 1,500. We can also use a number line to help us round. I am going to round to the nearest 100,000. So I need to find the number that is directly smaller than 129,648 and the number that is directly bigger than 129,648. So the 100,000 that is directly smaller would be 100,000. And the 100,000 that would be directly bigger would be 200,000. Right in the middle, we would have 150,000. This is why the 5 is so important. If it is smaller than a 5, we would go down. If it's larger than a 5, we would go up. So 129,648 is going to fall in between 100,000 and 150,000. 129,648. Since it's in between 100,000 and 150,000, we are going to round down to 100,000. So 129,648 rounded to the nearest 100,000 is 100,000. When rounding, make sure you show your thinking using either a number line or the place value closest being greater than 5 or less than 5.